In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to export your video from DaVinci Resolve as an MP4 file. Once you've finished editing, go to the Delivery tab at the bottom of the screen. Under Render Settings, set your file name and click Browse to choose where you want to save your video. Now under Render, make sure entire timeline is selected. This ensures the whole project will be exported, not just a portion. In the Format dropdown, choose MP4. For codec, select H.265. Under Resolution, choose your resolution. For me, it's Full HD. Set the frame rate to match your project. Then go to the Quality section and change it from Automatic to Restrict to. If you're exporting in Full HD, set it to 10,000 kilobits per second for a balance between good quality and file size. Once all settings are ready, click Add to Render Queue. Finally, click Render All in the Render Queue panel on the right. That's it. You've exported your video in MP4 format at Full HD resolution. If this helped, give the video a like and subscribe for more DaVinci tutorials.